Agilent's InfiniSim 90000X series oscilloscopes are engineered for 32 GHz true analog bandwidth that delivers. Available in DSO or DSA models with real-time analog bandwidths from 16 to 32 GHz, the 90000X series scopes have up to 2 gigapoints of memory and sample at 80 gigasamples per second. These scopes deliver the industry's highest measurement accuracy, the industry's only 30 gigahertz probing system, and the industry's most comprehensive application-specific measurement software. Oscilloscope measurement accuracy requires precise signal representation to pinpoint threshold transitions. It's affected by three key characteristics of the scope as illustrated in this eye diagram. The first is bandwidth for accurate representation of edge transitions and signal detail. Here you can see a 6 gigabit per second PRBS7 test signal eye diagram measured with 10 gigahertz of bandwidth on the 90000X series. Notice the bandwidth contribution to accuracy as the eye opens up with the capture of more harmonic content at 16 gigahertz, 25 gigahertz, and finally at 32 gigahertz of bandwidth, where we accurately depict a very fast rise time of 12.3 picoseconds. Even at equal bandwidths, the 90000X series oscilloscopes can make dramatically better measurements because precise depiction of the voltage level of the signal is impacted by our second key to accuracy, the noise floor of the oscilloscope. Oscilloscope noise plotted across bandwidths for the 90000X series scopes and competitors shows the dramatically different performance delivered through hardware. Others are forced to use techniques to boost the bandwidth spec, which compromise measurement accuracy with the addition of significant noise that hides harmonic content and reduces signal detail. Industry-leading bandwidth and noise specs combined with sample clock jitter of less than 20 femtoseconds give the InfiniSim 90000X series oscilloscopes the lowest jitter measurement floor in the industry. Since a sine wave has the least inherent jitter, we've made a series of time interval error jitter measurements at various frequencies using 20 gigahertz bandwidth to show how much additional design margin error is introduced with other oscilloscopes versus the Agilent 90000X. The 90000X series delivers the best measurement accuracy in the industry, reporting as little as 1/6 the jitter that other real-time scopes do. Results are comparable to sampling oscilloscopes in these measurements and can mean the difference between passing and failing critical compliance tests on high-speed serial buses. The industry's only 30 gigahertz probing system offers bandwidth upgradable probe amplifiers from 16 to 30 gigahertz, along with a full line of probing accessories. Each probe amp comes loaded with its unique S parameters for easy de-embedding. Put the power of 32 gigahertz true analog bandwidth to work for you with a wide range of unique software options. Quickly set complex trigger conditions with InfiniScan event identification and trigger software. Zone qualification lets you easily define a combination of conditions to isolate anomalous signal behavior. Agilent's InfiniSim waveform translation toolset provides efficient de-embedding of probe and circuit element loading. This enables measurement translation from accessible probe points to other locations in the system and simulates waveforms with channel models inserted. Combine measurements and models for accurate characterization of design performance, all done with hardware acceleration for fast update rates. Here, we're removing the channel effects of about 4 inches of lossy material. Choose from the industry's widest range of complete applications for compliance and margin testing for high-speed serial buses. Or rapidly create your own with the user-defined application software. This tool provides the framework you need to quickly program and automate any set of measurements with an interface similar to that provided in our standard compliance test software. Full control of other Agilent instrumentation is possible, along with automated HTML reporting capabilities. See our datasheet for the full lineup of application-specific measurement software to speed debug and characterization. The breakthrough performance of the Agilent InfiniSim 90000X series oscilloscopes starts with the adoption of an Agilent proprietary indium phosphide process to produce key integrated circuits with high bandwidth and low noise for both the scope and the probing system. Custom packaging technology that enables probing and combines 5 ICs into the front-end multi-chip module that enables 2 channels on each acquisition board. Countless man-hours of software investment deliver the most comprehensive application-specific measurement software available. The result is the fastest real-time scope on the planet today. It doubles the hardware performance of any other with technology headroom for the future. Confidently choose the bandwidth you need today and increase performance as your roadmap requires. Agilent's InfiniSim 90000X series oscilloscopes, engineered for 32 GHz true analog bandwidth that delivers.